How to refill the ink tanks in the HP Smart Tank 210, 520, 540, 580 through 590, and 5100 printer series. When it runs low, refill the ink tank in one or more of the tanks in your HP Smart Tank printer using official HP bottles of ink. Be aware of the following when working with ink bottles. Keep the ink bottles out of reach of children. Open the ink bottle only when you are ready to fill the ink tanks. Do not tilt, shake, or squeeze the ink bottle when open. Store the ink bottles upright in a cool, dry place. First, open the front door. Then, open the cap of the ink tank you want to fill. Open the ink bottle. If your ink bottles have twist-off lids, twist to remove the lid and then set it aside. If your ink bottles have a flip-top lid, twist the lid to remove it. Pull the seal tab to completely remove it from the bottle and then dispose of the seal. Replace and tighten the lid on the bottle and then flip open the lid. Match the color of the ink bottle with the color of the ink tank. Place the bottle on the tank nozzle and push down until it clicks into place. Make sure the tip of the bottle fits properly over the nozzle and let the ink drain into the tank until the tank is full. If the bottle does not start draining, remove it and then reinsert it into the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. After the ink tank is filled, set the bottle aside and close the ink bottle lid. Store bottles with leftover ink upright in a cool, dry place. Close the ink tank cap firmly. Repeat the previous steps to fill other ink tanks if necessary. Close the front door. The ink tank has been refilled and the printer is now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.